10 Impressive Benefits of Carrot Juice. Carrot juice is extracted from whole carrots and extremely nutritious. It not only provides potassium and vitamin C but also is very rich in provitamin A. Drinking carrot juice is thought to boost immunity and improve eye and skin health, among other benefits. Here are 10 impressive health benefits of carrot juice. 1. Highly nutritious. Carrot juice is low in calories and carbs while packing numerous nutrients. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, contains calories, 96. Carrot juice is loaded with vitamin A and high in vitamin C and K. It also contains plant compounds called carotenoids, which act as antioxidants. 2. May improve eye health. Carrot juice contains high amounts of nutrients that benefit your eyes. Specifically, 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of carrot juice packs over 250% of the DV for vitamin A, mostly in the form of provitamin A carotenoids like beta-carotene. Vitamin A is vital for eye health. Carrot juice is a very good source of carotenoids, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are vital for eye health and may protect against AMD. 3. May boost immunity. Carrot juice may give your immune system a boost. Both vitamins A and C found in carrot juice act as antioxidants and protect immune cells from free radical damage. As a rich source of vitamins A, B6, and C, carrot juice may help strengthen your immune system. 4. May provide anti-cancer effects. Compounds in carrot juice have been shown to trigger cancer cell death in test tube studies. However, more human research is needed. 5. May improve blood sugar control. Drinking small amounts of carrot juice may help lower blood sugar levels. Limited animal studies suggest that fermented and purple carrot juice improve blood sugar control. While regular carrot juice also has a low GI, you should be sure to drink it in very moderate amounts. 6. May improve skin health. The nutrients in carrot juice may be particularly beneficial for skin health. Carrot juice provides vitamin C and beta-carotene, two antioxidants that may protect your skin from damage. Vitamin C is also necessary for the production of collagen, which strengthens skin. 7. May boost heart health. Carrot juice may help reduce risk factors for heart disease. The potassium and antioxidants in carrot juice may help lower blood pressure and decrease risk factors for heart disease. 8. May protect your liver. The carotenoids in carrot juice are thought to promote liver health. Due to its high amount of anti-inflammatory carotenoids, carrot juice may protect your liver against conditions like NAFLD. Yet, more research is necessary. 9. Strengthen brain function. Beta-carotene in carrot juice may also improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related memory problems and dementia. Oxidative stress is linked to brain cell damage and occurs when brain and nerve cells can't regenerate. This weakens nerve signaling and reduces cognitive function. However, beta-carotene in carrots may strengthen brain function and improve memory. In one study, workers who were exposed to lead were treated with 10 mg of beta-carotene over a 12-week period. The study found that after treatment, the group receiving beta-carotene had less oxidative stress. 10. Have a healthy pregnancy. Carrot juice contains calcium, folate, and magnesium and is rich in potassium and vitamin A, all things a growing baby wants. Calcium helps the baby build strong bones and cartilage. According to the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, those who are pregnant or breastfeeding need at least 1000 mg of calcium per day. Folate lowers the risk of fetal development issues. Vitamins A and C also work as antioxidants to protect baby and parent-to-be from free radicals, reducing the risk of infections. Carrot juice precautions. While carrot juice is perfectly safe for most people, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Some varieties of carrot juice may not be pasteurized and should be avoided by certain populations, including pregnant women. Drinking too much may also temporarily change your skin color. Carrot juice is incredibly nutritious, providing potassium, several carotenoids, and vitamins A, C, and K. Drinking this veggie juice may help improve eye health, boost your immune system, and strengthen skin. However, more extensive human research is needed. Since it contains natural sugars, you may want to drink it in moderation. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.